anyways, hey guys, this you're looking at right here is a 2005, custom built computer. It's really tiny, actually. It's an Yes, exactly. It's an SFF, if you haven't figured that out. So, on the back here, we've got a wireless antenna. That's kind of cute. And then, crap, are there any USB ports on here?
Oh, yeah.
Yeah,
there should be 4 of them.
So we've got, and there's an RJ45 thing. Let's see. We've got some USB ports down there. A couple of other interesting ports. There's a power cable. Monitor's not plugged in. The VGA. And there's a serial port on here somewhere. You guys might be able to see it. So here's the top of it, and then I'm going to turn it just a little bit. So, oops. And you probably just saw my hair. Anyway, I don't really care. So it's got a little, DVD drive. So let's turn it on and see what happens.
Messenger notification. Messenger. Albano Berberi. Who? Now. Notification.
Whoa.
Image.
Anyway.
Yeah, he kind of roars.
Yeah, I know. So, I'm not sure what's going to happen, but the next time I come over here, it's going to be kind of funny because I'm going to try to install Windows Server 2008 on this thing and see if it takes Windows Server 2008. And then, potentially,
Starting up at all?
if I can talk to the big guns in Somerville, aka Phil Fernandez and Charlie, you remember him on a couple of my videos, if I talk to them and everything okays out, this thing might end up being one half of an RAS site-to-site VPN between my place in Wilmington and headquarters in Somerville. So it'll be kind of interesting if that actually works out. But I don't know if that is going to work out because we first need to see how well this thing handles Windows Server 2008. And of course, with it being only a 32-bit system and only having 1 gig of RAM in there, I don't know. What?
For now.
Yeah, for now. But again, it's DDR2 memory, so I would assume. Because it's 2005, so I don't know how much, upping this to 4 gigs would cost. I don't know, because DDR2 RAM is not exactly the cheapest in the box, but yeah, so this is the 2005 custom build. It's going to be interesting if I can actually get it going as a Windows server. If not as a Debian server. I don't know if it would hold Debian 7. It might not, but I don't know. That could be interesting. So anyway, so keep an eye on more videos on this computer, and so this should be interesting. Oops.
Now, I wonder what this thing's actually doing.
I don't know if it's doing anything.
I'm not sure if I plugged in the speakers to the right.
Oh, just move it. Wow. This fan is kind of loud.
Yeah?
I'm getting messages up the yin-yang, but I don't really care. Anyway, I'll see you guys in the next video.